Mrs. Chioma Adeleke, the wife of popular singer Davido Adeleke, don carry petrol go pour inside fire. Hey, this one na extra fire be that na. This story go long o my people. Chioma Davido, we know na Chioma Assurance wey him and Davido don marry after they lose their son Ifeanyi Adeleke. Now they don born twins join. So na good thing. Now he don come out for the first time ever on top social media matter to come shun Israel, that is im husband personal assistant on logistics and anything road transport. So we all know say Israel and Davido get one kind chemistry wey be say Davido dey enjoy seeing Israel hailing him and displaying his stupidity kind of, while Israel dey enjoy praising his oga and giving him thanks for all the things he have done and he's still doing in his life. So their chemistry is just flowing well. Now, Chioma come out to come warn Israel to shut him from talking more concerning his alleged crashed marriage. Yes, Chioma was one of the people that attended that wedding with Davido. Chioma sprayed them. Chioma even snapped with them. Chioma sent the lady plenty gift for a woman to start her marriage life. We all know that Chioma supported that wedding like as if they are the sponsors of the wedding, which they are, sure. Okay, fast forward to this day, and it seems like Chioma has already begged this girl, Sheila, Courage, that's her name, that's Israel ex-wife, Sheila Courage. It be like say Chioma don't beg, and this girl no gree. Now him, Chioma come out now to come warn Israel, say make him no go live again with any blogger or go for any interview or any broadcast or any podcast to go talk about this thing again. Say make him die the matter. Say the girl will surely see say she lost. Now him now people come they talk say Chioma they talk out of experience. So say this girl suppose no say in fellow lady no go come to cheat on them or lie to them. So now him Twitter people now even go start to they bring up some kind of similarities between Chioma and the girl in question. See wetin them drop, as you can see from your screen. They say Israel DMW records, no domestic abuse, no cheating allegation, no baby mamas. Result, wife packed out of his house and divorced him. Davido records, multiple cheating allegations, multiple baby mamas. Result, wife is proud of him and supporting him. Lesson, women find good men boring. A woman would rather forgive sins of masculine but punish the good deeds of weakness. Learn or you perish. So yes, there is nonsense in every sense and there is also sense in every nonsense. So just get the message and articulate and choose the one you understand from it. But I believe this message is deeper than how we see it. And also, this message is also kind of trolling Chioma, that Chioma stayed because of money, blah, 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 blah. But there are more things deeper in marriage than what we are just seeing. And with what is happening, I don't think the girl loved Israel at initial. So Chioma don't come out to caution Israel, say, make Israel come out, talk on top anything in crash marriage. Now him Israel come dey talk now for the long interview where Israel do with popular OAP Daddy Freeze. Yes, Israel come talk say he marry the girl as a virgin. We all know that. Say but the girl wey marry as a virgin, they tell am say you know they do am well. Say you know they satisfy am well. Say no sabi do. How person wey no get experience go come dey tell you say hey God, make I no talk much. Now on top the matter sef, Israel still dey talk say he spend over 2 million plus for the wedding. Na him the girl dey send her 1,000 for bride price, say na wetin he spend for her to marry her na 1,000. Israel come talk say no be even the girl suppose be send her the money for alert. Say they go first go court, go dissolve this civil marriage, that is court marriage. After they dissolve the court marriage, now they will come do traditional own, say they will come return things and then all the money improper, not just like that. So on top the matter sef, Israel still talk say anything anytime wey person dey marry, make him look well whether the parents of the girl na good people. Say the parents na pastor, but na dem be the worst people. Say the parents of the girl even tell am say they prefer say na Nednwoko come marry their daughter than him. Say they are thinking say Israel dey like Nednwoko. Many things wey Israel yarn on top this matter. Plenty things wey Israel talk on top this matter. Na him I wan make una watch, make una see and see the reason why Chioma dey tell am say make him shut up, because of say too much talking e don dey reveal excess things too much, and Israel believe say if him talk am out him go heal faster, but at the same time he's hurting himself than to heal faster. He should just talk to you, to people closer to him, and then live life. After all, he's an entertainer that sees plenty girls every day, so he should just get one and focus. That's just one thing. What is not for you is not for you. No matter how you drag it or push it, it's not for you. But truly, Israel love the girl. Watch this video and tell me what's on your own mind over this relationship issue. Just watch and tell me what's on your own mind. But before that, let's look at this analysis first from very dark black man as usual. Roll it.
You see, they pay me. Do you still love her? Baba, she don't kill her love in me. She has killed her love in me. Yes, how? Normally, I know for what I went through.
Yeah, from the way Israel is talking, I swear to God, you could tell that Israel really loved that girl. Especially this part where she has killed the love in me. Immediately I was like, you understand? It be as if Israel carry the girl as one kind treasure, and as the girl go, you can't lose the treasure. Well, Israel, the only thing I can say is you are very lucky. Say you never born Pekin. Una never born. That's the good part. Una never born. Una no born Pekin now. You understand? So you can easily just move on. And I see a lot of comments, and to be very honest, this is why a lot of men don't like to show emotions. Because see the way a lot of you there, come on, move on. You have to move on. Why are you not a man? I see some comment and I'm like, so it's a man, he doesn't have emotion. Eh? As a man, he doesn't have emotion. But for Israel, yeah, no worry. Me and the community of Edo brothers, we are talking. We are going to get you a babe. I understand that you are in love with this one. Now, talking about virgin, first of all. But I say the girl talk say, you know, they knock her away now. How virgin won't take know they knock her away? She don't do it before. I don't know now wetin they talk or I hear before. I say very dark man like to talk against women. Now wetin I hear. Now wetin he talk. You understand? But then again, this virgin thing, back to this virgin thing. And they tell you say some babes for these nuts. Then they do sealing, then they reseal them. Blood go come out the day again. Now based on this course when I dey here for years, say they reseal them if you go downtown for notes. Do you understand? So if you be say that recycled version, Black, you need to be serious. Stop it. Stop it. But Israel DMW, my brother, yeah. To be very honest, una no born Pekin. I know it's not easy. You were in love with her, so moving on will be hard. But by the grace of God, it's only God. God have a reason why a lot of things don't happen. You understand? So I think this is better for the both of you at the end of the day. So just, you need to give it a rest, my bro. No worry, I promise you a babe. But then again, this is the part where bust my head.
I'm forgiving. What's gonna happen? All of a sudden, I go Lagos one day, Baba, may I come back? This girl don't pack her load. Pack her load, go Abuja straight. Go they stay with her shower. A 29 years old girl, we never see she husband Mario.
He said she back up with a shower. When they create content. Edo people don't get filter for their mouth. I swear. Edo people, they don't get filter for their mouth. They don't blah. Come on, bro. That's defamation of character. But then again, Israel Juju, I believe everything happens for a reason. Maybe that God they show you sign. You understand? If you be say the girl will be bad girl, but it just no work for her. If you be say she be amazing girl, but it no work for her, you know. So just pick the pieces, and then by the grace of God, we will all be alright. Don't play.
Thank you at Very Dark Black Man. Yes, that is his video. So we are giving him a shout out for the video credits. Now to the full details on what I want you guys to watch and see why Chioma warned and ordered Israel to shut up over his marriage crisis. Davido's logistic manager, Israel Afeare, popularly known as Israel DMW, has revealed that his boss and socialite Cubana Chiefpriest intervened in his marital crisis. He said the duo tried to convince his ex-wife Sheila to stay in the marriage, but she refused. Speaking in an interview with the media personality Daddy Freeze, Israel DMW said, "My wife left my house August 6. Even before then, she has been going out. After she left, I started begging her to come back. Even my boss, Davido and Cubana Chiefpriest begged her to return home. A lot of people also begged her. They asked her what the issue was, but she couldn't give any sensible reason." He said the church and their family is also intervened, but to no avail. So here is the video of all these things I just told you guys he is saying. Then don't forget to comment and tell me what you have to say over this and your own talk. Apart from Chioma, what Chioma said, let's hear your own too. Also, if you are new, kindly subscribe and enjoy to the full details of everything. I love you all. Lost TV Media got you 247. Roll it!
Hey, wait, don't play that video yet. Welcome to Lost TV. This is your home of all daily Nigerian trending entertainment news and gossip you need to see and watch. Yes, we keep you entertained 247. Yes, 247. So just subscribe and press the bell icon to be notified anytime we drop the latest we do concerning your news and trending gist. So roll the video now. Roll it.
Which hotel you get where you just enjoy yourself like this?
Hotel, no, my house I do.
Lighthouse fine like hotel.
My house I do, Baba. Serious.
Enjoyment.
My house I do, Baba. I say.
Okay, don't find one corner pen.
My house I do. Good sir.
So, how far? Waiting they happen. They say you don't refund bride price. Waiting they happen.
No, nobody has. Baba, they return the wife go personally return bride price to alert.
No.
So I don't.
Those come from their family. Come.
So I never see me. I never as small as small. So I'm not sure. I don't see where a woman go personally send bride price, send the return bride price to alert. So the thing the price. Yes, Baba.
But now, wow. As things they like this, should this matter not be matter with person finish make una just even sit down make up, or the matter don't over, you don't pass the water, don't pass the gari?
Baba, I'm not sure because I went through a lot. I go through a lot through time of that marriage.
Waiting happen.
I went through a lot, Baba. You see,
Life don't go, no worry, they come up Nigeria with it. They go bring them down. They go bring them down now, no worry.
Baba, before I finally come out here, before I finally came out to speak here, I don't try every possible means to make sure say it works. I don't try my possible means. Even I even invite church, family, everything. Marriage way assault. Normally marriage of less than a year. No marriage is perfect, but marriage of less than a year, and you expect say yes, he must get his own this thing. But in marriage, where assault, no this thing, no infidelity, no any form of abuse at all.
But waiting can't happen.
Baba, you know what happened then? You see, when I'm on marriage, it took me so many years to get myself prepared for marriage. Because I always tell God, say, I know once I marry, now one wife I go marry, say, and I know one get into the strong crisis for marriage at all. So now I make I can't go church. Make I can't go church, go pick. Because okay, now pastor picking. Yes, pastor picking. I say, okay, at least somebody will be pastor picking, will be pastor daughter. They normally, yes, he will make good wife for house. See, yes. Good day, yes. Because even so, I even met her, said the evangelist, she was even doing her evangelism. Church evangelism. So yeah, this one could be good wife. Pastor picking. So never come. That was why I just this one could be better wife for house. when she was coming, even then, she would wake up then on the Instagram now, prayer, she dey talk, she dey talk about God as God. So everything.
Praying wife. You married a praying wife.
Yeah, it is okay, yeah. She will make a better home. Thinking she will make a better home. Now after marriage, this girl just changed. Before you knew, she changed her name to her excellency. She's not boss now. She not going to pray again. No even prayer again now. Like, I'm not better one day, Baba. I know raise hand, bitter one day, one single day, not yet. To the extent, I was even kneeling down for this girl. I said, guy, what is the problem? She can't begin getting friends. Slave queens, where they call the tell her say now. Say, she stop praying now. She's not going to do church again. I say, you can't be a married woman and want to be full married. You want to do slave queen. Then they see that one again. Those was called the advisor. Their mama said, no try at all. Baba, you see, when they marry, when you are praying for a good wife, Baba, you go pray when you get in-laws, get good in-laws. Yes, not true. Now do things. So, you know, Baba, those days when I did very small, I did very stubborn for primary school. So, I did close to my mama very well. So when my mama, now when I go school, when I don't misbehave, when I don't make noise for class, they flog me so this. So I go expect, say if I tell my mama go follow me go school, go fight teacher. But when I tell my mama now, my mama go follow me go school. He go say, teacher, I beg, this is my son. I beg, no bitter for eye. He say, but not your eye, make you no touch. If he misbehave, flog him where? Go back to that school. Where if I start to go to school again. Baba, when I say he just can't change, Baba. Not she cannot even say baby say
you they go down well, you they satisfy him.
Baba, I did do as my power show. In fact, she was even not even complaining. Me don't even Baba, yes, Baba, I cannot keep myself now. She was not even complaining. It was that she told me face to face that wasn't knocking her away.
But she be V now. How she take know the one way good?
Baba, this is going to surprise me. Oh. You see, Baba, your thing, it's like Baba, it's like say now, when you see, I think when virgins, they don't promise so many men before for grand. So when they come married now, they're not this virgin. They feel say they want to go outside, go test people. They don't promise. Oh. Baba, no British get one day, no. I dey take care of am, I deliver. Even okay, Baba, you know what's happening? Less than 2 weeks when I meet this girl.
Network.
She go back and say yes. You say until I pay your bride price, say you na virgin, you pay. Yes, she was a virgin, yes. Later, Baba, this girl just can't change you, Baba. Not just change that for me, oh.
For what have been
me, I don't know, Baba, I don't even talk. I say, no, Baba, our parents will take listen, Baba, listen, no. The parents too, they added to it, Baba. You see, when parents think say yes, their daughter so not to make money, not to get money, than safety. You know, normally when you are giving your daughter out, at least that is not. I think the safety should matter. They saw it as an avenue to use a daughter to make money. Money. We do marriage today, finish. Parents they can't ask you say money when they spray for wedding, say they need to collect their share for inside. And I was doing this thing. They forced me. They collected money from me. I did deliver for them because me as I be give where as I try when it comes to giving. What's going to happen? All of a sudden, I go Lagos one day, Baba, and then I come back. This guy don't pack a load, go Abuja straight. Go they stay with a shower. A 29 years old girl, we never see your husband marry. Go they stay with her for them, say they do influencing.
You know, allow her walk when she did. Allow her walk.
Baba, she even tell me say she want walk. She didn't even tell me. She tell me one time say she want they do she want to sell cloth online. Okay, you go and find out how much it is. Then I'll get back to you. Then I will give you the money. Today she not tell me. I was giving this girl, Baba, every month, I was giving her 200k for our pocket money. Don't talk of other things, Baba. You say 200k. At times I do 500, Baba. I do 500. I do this thing. But you come out, they tell me, say man, say me I be boy to the video. I know, Baba, tell you. You tell me, say man, say me they make you shame. Say I be boy to Davido. I be boy to Senator Daisy Dantuma. People way God you say they assist me. So make I go carry gun, go to do armed robbery. I be make I go to break houses. No, don't be say, Baba, not beating, no, nothing, no. I don't just know.
You dey shout for him. You dey
For
ever
where?
shout for him.
For where, Baba? Baba, I can't even say, let's not the way I take even take cool for herself. Let me even come make am try to come even take me one the finish. Now she go they shout for me, Baba. Baba, you see, mosque or church, not be the right place to go for marriage at all. You see, they pay me.
Do you still love her?
Baba, she don't kill her love in me. She has killed her love in me. Yes, how? Normally, I know for what I went through. Baba, this girl left house August 6. Even before then, she does the command to. She left August 6. Why Abuja? That's why I begin beg this girl to come back. Moga even they beg herself.
Davido beg am.
What? Oga beg am. Say what did the chief priest even beg am? People beg am. They ask and say, if they beat you, no. What they happen? Just they talk, not even waiting to talk at all. Oga beg and say, what they happen? Oga say, Oga not beat this girl, no. She left August 6. Okay, now I can go meet church. Because church only for word. When at least church only for word. When marriage issues day, you go back to them as a for settlement. Okay, since my guys don't try your best, so people don't try you. Okay, make I use church. Church now invited her. Baba, when church invited her, they talk to her, but she said no, they marry again, no. She said no, they marry again. Then later, the parents come say, okay, make I invite my family. We talk, we settle the matter. My family is come. We go to their house. We do meeting. She came, Baba. She came home. So they come say, okay, as we told them we finish, what did he beat you? He said no. He said that she just wanted me to be serious. She just wanted me to be doing business. I said, I'm not against business. You bring out a business plan. Make I give you money. Make I sponsor and make you do the business. Since you are a business, yes, bring out a business plan. But don't about it. I said, you bring out a business plan. Me, Baba, you see, when it comes to business, I said, you bring out a business plan. I will give you money. Then you go there in charge. This girl said no. She want the situation whereby she go come online, come they naked, they do influencing. They do a distance. There are businesses we can do that you can even manage, and you can even make more money more than this influencing. Baba, then we come their papa house. So, okay, the parents now said that less than 2 weeks that she will come back to my house. It's okay, but that 2 weeks time, make I dey go there, go check up on her. I was still going there to check up on her, giving her money, giving her yes for upkeep and everything, Baba, as usual. 2 days to when I mean 3 days to okay. Also, Baba, you know the most painful thing. You know the painful thing. On Sunday, let's say on Sunday we were together. We played, we talked and everything. The next Monday, I just did. Baba, they part of the one CNN. She just called me say, where are they? I say at the house. Okay. In only 5 minutes, somebody just knocked on my gate. That is from the court that, that he came to serve me called divorce paper, this thing. So I called college. How far? You now you send, because I don't believe him. I said, now you send these people come. He said yes. That she no one married again. I said, what? So I called the parents. See what your daughter do. The daughter said no. They said no. They don't. They are aware, and they are not aware of it too, and everything. No, say that. The parents no say as they come up for court, she don't already call our pastor, our resident pastor. Pastor Savior. It our resident pastor say this case, so he don't go submit divorce paper. So the pastor can say, are your parents are aware of this? She said yes, that yes. Say our parents fully gave her the go ahead.
Meanwhile, her parents don't talk so.
No, but you know what? Even before then, and they go meet their parents. The parents every day say, make they help me talk to their daughter. No, say they deceived me, Baba.
Hey,
I didn't know they were deceiving me, Baba. October, I was still paid because the mama, I pay mama salary. I did deliver, Baba. Which way of delivering? I deliver. I wait. Yes, I have on my receipt, Baba. October alone. Yes, now October alone, I gave him.
How much did they give
The
mama?
lowest money what they give him, mama, na 50K, 50. Say yes, 50, 100. No, yes, less. Baba, October alone, I gave the mother 400,000 naira. Yes, October alone, I gave the woman 400,000 naira for her upkeep. I know the talk of my wife because wife when you marry, say you want to do ahead. That's my wife. The mother, I'm talking about the mother alone. October alone, I gave the mother 400K. Not know, he said that these people they plan to even serve me court paper. So pastor come ask the guy, say, is your parents aware of it? He say yes, that the parents give her go ahead. And meanwhile, I was with 2 people on Sunday when I even bring food I chop. Baba, I was in their house on Sunday, they brought rice, we eat and everything. So people even have court in another plans that they go court. Baba, you follow the funniest thing, Baba, you follow the shockest waiting, the funniest thing. The court where she come assign when they assign the case to the judge for their house. The judge and their neighbor.
No. Oh.
Baba, you see, Baba, you see, this girl traveled August 2nd, and when she traveled, so the parents now moved to another house. They got a new house and moved them. So unfortunately, their neighbor, the same door, let's say closed door, there's a woman judge there. Baba, I call discover and say this girl, now the woman caught. Now court said then she go find the papers to tell you how it was well planned. So I said, Sam, you are saying you are not aware of this, your daughter going to court. But how come she now got to know that your neighbor is a judge and a court? I said, who are the phone? I said, talk to you now. Baba, the case for court too. I did on my own one day. Baba, I did on my own one day. I just see SMS alert. The same SMS alert say, because of bad price, Baba. Now, bad price have to pay. Now, bad price have to pay. Now, I pay your. Now, alert have to pay your bad price. Don't think so. See, Baba, you say, why you say, Baba, you say, men are going through a lot, Baba. Men are really going through a lot. I didn't believe if it was the other way around, maybe I was maltreating her, I was beating her. Now for this spread up and down now, social media. It's a woman beater, is this. They're not beating one day. So why did you deceive me to marriage? They say move on. Waiting.
Was there ever a point where the marriage was sweet?
Yes. Baba, you see, when somebody marry, when parents think say their marriage that to take make money, na problem oh. Na big problem. How can parents, your mother, suppose mother, they tell you say, if you say they know, they forgive their daughter to network.
The mama talk so.
Yes, now. So now that's now. Say the don't know who they give their daughter to network. I say what?
Network only find another wife.
I ask me. I don't know that respect. When I don't want to say one mother another wife. Oh, say see the life that is living. Baba, I think me and network will be mates. I know cut my coat according to my size. She herself, are they from rich home? No, yes. You see, Baba, you don't have to go to discover him. Girls from a wedding home, girls from the wedding home, man, they don't get any problem. They don't get shakara. Now the ones we don't get at all. Now they want the one they prove rubbish. Baba, your thing, they say move on rubbish what? Maybe they were expecting her. It will say, Baba, I not slap that girl one day. I know they be too man. I thought she go even insult me. When she taught me, I will just come out. I say if I'm married for church, so I go get peace of mind, Baba. That one offense. Pastor picking for that matter. For winners, so the same church where they go. Same church, winners, where they go. The same church. Papa na pastor, they stand for water. At least that kind of level, at least I think one will expect, okay, yes, now better get you married now from Papa. And later that no say man, I don't just so. When they talk, say move on, waiting. Make I not talk. Baba, I didn't if it was the way around, Baba. By now, now something else about the talk. I not beat you one day. You made Morgan spend money for nothing. Morgan, just cancelled show 140 million to come to attend my wedding for Benin. Carry money. And Oga even ask, I say, are you ready for marriage? Say yes. Are you ready for marriage? Say yes. Not knowing this girl was deceiving me. Yeah? Okay, we go for the deal. Are you ready for marriage? Say yes. So what happen? What's it going to say? Make a note. Is that?
Waiting, Davido come they talk now.
Baba, they tell me the thing. Because when before she come even go court herself, Oga don't even talk to her. Oga don't even come to talk for the matter again. But the thing, they tell me say make I even forget. But the thing they pay me because me I even feel say I don't embarrass big person like him. Yes, that's why they pay me the more. I just wasted his time for nothing. Like what? Oh, they pay me the more.
And there's no hope of reconciliation.
Papa, I don't, Papa, no. I don't, no. Papa,
I have to hear my own side.
Yeah, is that?
Maybe make me I follow her and talk. If I feel beg him.
Baba, you will feel follow Mama talk.
Wait.
You see, Baba, the other thing, Baba, me, the love don't already die. If I don't make, I don't just talk because the case don't even be for court safe. How can a girl go fight for Baba? She went too far. Going to court for what? Well, at least before you even go for court, at least before you fight for divorce for court, maybe it don't the danger don't dey, life threatening don't dey, and everything. There was nothing of such. Why?
When was
can never be trust there.
when was the last time you saw?
Last time I
saw her, last time you use your eye, take Siam. Make I plug my
yeah,
mic.
last time I saw her was yes. She left August 6th last year. She's been in Abuja with her friend. Then she now go back. Then she came back November. So last time I saw her was November 19. I saw November 19. On the 20th, then she go bring court paper come.
Ha.
Yes.
So
Now you
since
see, now you
October,
see
can you
November.
hear me better now?
Is that?
I don't go plug mic. Can you hear me better now?
Yeah, yes. Yes, I can hear you.
So since October, when I never use IC.
No, since November. No, we haven't seen again. No, we saw last time we saw was November 19. Then November 20. Then she go bring court paper come.
Israel,
Well,
make I tell you truth.
okay.
You still like this woman. And it's not a bad thing, that your wife. Not a bad thing. No.
Baba, if I don't like her,
This way
Baba,
you do. Because for you to remember the date clearly like this, it means say she hurts you, she offends you, but you still love her. Waiting to be her name.
and then I courage.
Courage.
Yeah.
This man na your husband. You never talk waiting you do. Saying no get work, saying they follow Davido, all that one. Let me tell you, if your husband love you, sit down for house, they provide for you. Even if you not get work, you will still love her. But I never hear your side of the story, so I have to be fair. But me, I they tell you, say, no lose this man. This man a good man. No. This man a good man. All this one way they provoke up and down, now because he love you. No vex. So now waiting me, I they interpret. I don't know whether on our way they watch, they see the same thing. Is if this girl come back and she behave herself, this marriage can still be sweet. I'm not saying she did not behave herself, but I'm just looking at it that this thing, how old is she?
I think this year should be 23 this year.
She's young. How old are you this year? We got to know your age, no vex. Me, I'm 48. I am 48. So you know me say I ask you back. Me, I'll be 48.
Baba, they listen to you, Baba. Talk
you know what? Talk your age, no problem. I shall know say you see me around. You know why this matter they pain me? Because it be like matter we get solution. Now just say when the two of them they hurt. Maybe if we can allow you people to grow together, and maybe if parents come out hands small, maybe they allow una free. Maybe if you work.
Baba, you see, Baba, I think Yoruba the biggest parable say you don't give out a goat and still hold the rope. You have given out a goat and you still want to control the rope. Does it work that way? People were even now saying that now because they did for the same that make I go far, make I relocate. But I say relocation no fee, no be by relocation. You feel even carry woman go abroad, but if you carry woman go abroad, self, locate go abroad, self, you go reach a woman go change that for you.
True.
Not be by relocation at all. You feel yes, you feel carry woman go out, you feel marry, relocate go abroad. The woman go change that for you. You go call police for yourself. So Baba not be location at all. You can't give out a goat and still hold the rope now. But I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy. Like
No.
what? If you knew you were not ready for marriage, so why involving me in? Why? If you knew you were not ready for marriage, if you knew you were never ready for marriage. Okay, now Baba, the worst thing, Baba, the worst thing, what could they pay me the more? Okay, when they try to settle this matter. Okay, crisis. Now, it was not even, he can't even go, they give, bloggers can't they carry this issue up and down. Now, we're now using it to trend, to influence. I don't understand. Because if you say, like, you don't get traffic, now, the next thing, the next thing that to just use and take influence, take do business. I say, what? I said, there's crisis in marriage. And now you use and take the, and now you use and take the influence. How much does the federals they pay you, maybe they give you? Like how much? That's the most painful aspect of it. But if it was the way around now, it was the way that they forgot to talk, people forgot the people now they explain like, see, there was no violence at all. And every time God now say Pikin never even evolve. Imagine say Pikin don't evolve, call. Now that's how maybe for just carry the Pikin come out. Then before you know, they will tell you say maybe you could pay 1 million naira every month for upkeep and this and that. You for Pikin with the you know go see him. Matter when you reach your so why would you get me involved in marriage when you knew definitely you were not serious? Why? Me trust you, say, okay, you know, Pastor Pikin. Pastor Pikin, no man don't meet you before. You go make a better home. The whole thing just, she know that, Baba, I said before, Baba, she they come on like, come pray. Church. No, she not even nothing. She just talk once.
Oh, wow.
I did one day, Baba, one day, I got nothing to say, she don't go.
Thank you very much. Continue what you are saying.
As for one day now, someone told me that say, oh, this girl though, she has removed my name, my son name on her in her Facebook and Instagram pages. So I called the father. I said, too far. The father told me that if she don't bring letter of divorce. Say whether it know me now. Say as long as she never bring letter of divorce, say no me. So later call, he call later bring the letter of divorce come. To tell you say on all of the now well planned matter.
I want to ask you a question. Why you two no quick knock and belle?
Baba now God they keep belle.
Because
for there when
you give am give am belle go
Baba, less than a year, this girl don't come up for us for like 4 times. I'm telling you. She don't come up for us for like 4 times. What's it happen? Nothing. Now the last one, then people go over here because I can't even talk out. I'm telling you. So nothing, Baba, the whole thing is very painful. So I just need to, I just need to speak out my mind. So let me say yes, because tomorrow they will say men are going through a lot. Make men see the top.
Men,
Baba, imagine Baba.
I agree.
Yeah, imagine if I died of Baba was on depression, Baba. Great depression. I don't feel, yes, I can't lean. Now 2 people, they call me 2 people, vital people. Zlatan and Morgan and Zlatan. And they notice what happened, and they call me, they check up on me. Zlatan and Morgan, they were always calling me. Yeah, Zlatan and Morgan, yes, about this. But they knew what I was going through. Baba, if I just wake up, as in, I was just there for hours one day, my enemy don't go wake up, then they could just, yes, I'm telling you, because the thing, like, what?
It's painful.
Okay, so nothing. But I just say, make I get sick for my marriage. I won't get, make I talk. But I don't know what I don't agree make but I don't extend I control into my marriage. No, let me have a say. I'm a man. If I don't gonna get talk for my marriage, how I don't get control over my marriage? How I want to take a big man now? You guys see talk. The next thing I send the girl to Abuja to go they do what? People to know even care about our school. Now this girl never finish school. Go to Paris school.
Which school she did?
Now university she dey go.
What level she did?
She should be in a 200 or 300 level now. Go take Paris school. Take Paris school. Never finish school. I was even planning to look at the private school here, Bessie University, which can even because online school now for adults, and now university now this is now for adults. You still have age. I can even put you in the private school. What are you doing there? What do you do for online university now university? Online university that I not for me. I don't think say the girl they treat them. You see, Baba, you see those days. You see, in those days, university where me go, Adeleke University, that where me I go, where we got to meet professors one-on-one, lecturers one-on-one. Even at times, even when if the lecturers first you enter class, when you enter, no matter how fine or no matter how pretty you are, lecturer think will walk you out of class. Say get out of my class. Yes. So you go come cry, go say you want lecturer try to come out for class. You can't now. Lecturer people tell you say you lay down there or get out of my class. So the knowledge, so now you they go now university. What did they take now university do? Now she didn't even they talk about school again, no. They do slave queen for online. They do this thing.
This is wild.
The parents didn't try at all, Baba. The parents did not try at all. The parents did not try at all. Why my own parents, why my own family members were encouraging me, as they were encouraging me to, why my oga, my family, they encouraged me to say, the parents was just advising her wrongly. Say me no get money. I don't know. I don't know. I don't get money before. What they do? What they give you now? What they do? Wedding. So, Baba, you see, Baba, men are going through a lot, Baba. Let me tell you, say you are a man, move on. But let's make man speak. If I get to say, Baba, to say I die for depression now, therefore say why you don't speak out. They go say why you don't speak out, since and they talk out now. Some people they talk say which can talk with that one. Do you know what I went through?
No mind anybody. Biggest shout out to my TikTok people. TikTok, make I hail you now. Omat, well done. Oh. I am Omat. Big shout out to you. So Israel, I don't know. Maybe if I feel follow and talk, maybe I feel beg and if old man like me prostrate, maybe she go.
You see, Baba, you know what's happening, Baba? You see, when we marry, immediately I got married, Baba. It gets some kind of things where I need to drop. Firstly, I even remove anything that has to do with family. I don't have for my marriage. Immediately you marry, you they want your parents. How can you marry and be putting your parents first in marriage? And your parents go want the date for me? How? Before we got before we got married, we go this what do you call them wedding lecture.
For church.
For church. They tell us make we know anything that has to do with third partner. So make we know involved at all. So that make me I will stay clear. I stay my family clear. My sister that was even staying with me immediately I got married. I give her 600,000 naira to go and look for accommodation. Say now I'm a married man now. Okay, I want to build my home. I gave her money to go and look for accommodation and be staying in her home so that my wife go get peace of mind. But still call. Let me say they maltreat you. Not be so. I was buying dresses for you. There's nothing. No way. Maybe the concept maybe wasn't taken care of. Wow, maybe wasn't taken care of. Wow. I was doing yes. Where's a man deliver? Yes, I have all my receipts. The receipts are there. I said October is low, Baba. Don't even pay me pass. I was still even when she was in Abuja, I was still paying a monthly allowance of 200K. Because Baba Sabe, okay, I got okay every monthly, not 200K. So at times, if you know there at all, I go do 100, and that 100 you know even yes, yeah. But the 200 never made it pass. I don't talk about the 500 though. Wait, yes, so I don't talk about that thing. So once she want buy, or maybe she wants to buy clothes, she want buy this, but you just want to take home for pockets. I said the mother alone, October alone, Baba gave the mother 400,000 naira. November, not say the receipt, not November, then I go bring out paper come. What are we supposed for settle? I was coming to beg you for settlement. And the leader for the mama, for the parents, don't know it's they just made up their mind for nothing. Now they go arrange with judge, the judge, the neighbor for us. They go meet the woman. Immediately I wrote the petition that woman should be changed before they can change the woman.
Oh, so you petitioned the judge?
Yes. Because I told you, I said I wasn't going to. I wasn't going to be giving the fair hearing. Because normally, judge that your neighbor. So waiting, Baba, waiting, you want to put down? The next thing for you to send me SMS alert. They send me as alert say 1,000 naira. We say the day of your bride price. The day I paid your bride price, I spent over 2 million naira for waiting that I bring home, in cash and everything. They send me 1,000 naira. They send me 1,000 naira. Saying our bride price. You return bride. They return bride price. Now they invest me now. They return bride price, or they return bride price to alert. Now me even pay the bride price. Now me pay. My parents, my family will pay the bride price. Not be me at all. So don't think about it. Yes. You just wasted Morgan time. You wasted my time. Wasted Morgan's time. Wasted everybody's time. When you knew you were not ready. When they do influencing, when you still don't get popularity. And when I met this girl, she was on struggling 3K followers. Struggling 3K followers. Then she do, and she just blew. She over 100. I think over 100 verified. Over 100, and it's almost 125 K followers. Now more, she just physically, she public figure. Instagram not verified. Now more.
Painful. Go wrong.
As you go to do slate win. The guy she's even staying with. The guy she's sporting with. How can the parents? How can your parents ask you to leave your forcefully reject you for a movie from your house, send it to Abuja to go and be sporting with somebody who's not even married? A 29 Sarah, Ginika, 28, 29-year-old girl. When don't finish Abuja, you know those guys will be say they don't even source by again. They don't find my they don't see. But the thing pay me, yes. Well, if I don't talk out my mind, I need to speak out, make it come out. I told my God, I said, make I talk my mind, because if it was the way around,
make I ask
now
your own opinion. Waiting pain you most? Should na waiting she do, or na waiting her parents do that ain't pain you most?
Baba, now wetin her parents do, na pay me the most.
Thank you. I go by the name Black Mamba. Don't forget, I thank God for my subscribers, my phone, and my sub. If you like, if you comment, if you subscribe, I'll keep thanking God for you. I love you all.